This right here is a 1080p ear endoscope that lets you actually see inside your ear canal in real time, right on your phone. And it's the best way to remove earwax buildup that you may have gotten when you got sick, had a sinus infection, or allergies just hit you hard. It works with both iOS and Android, and setup only takes literally about 30 seconds. The camera has a 4mm tip with 6 built-in LED lights, so you can actually see clearly what you're doing, no blind spots at all. It's also rechargeable via a USB connection here at the bottom. The battery lasts right around 90 minutes. It comes with silicone ear spoon attachments, so that way you can gently remove wax while watching exactly what you're doing. You also get some additional ear cleaning tools if you need them. This tool right here can also be used not only to look inside your ears, but also your nose and throat. So the real question is, does it work? Holy crap, yes. I recently did a 60-mile bike ride event through an allergy-infested pollen nightmare. And I got a sinus infection in my ear, and it got really badly clogged when I got sick. This tool right here, with the help of Debrock's eardrops, was able to clean out all the overproduced thick ear wax. Sorry for the gross image, but that's what comes out of your ear when you use this tool. The good news is I had so much pressure relief afterwards that it was so worth getting this tool. This ear tool right here is on sale on Amazon between 10 and 20 bucks, depending on what color you get. Color doesn't matter, so just go with the cheap one. It's worth it. Now, there is a fancier model out there that sells between 40 and 50 bucks, I think. That one allows you to actually bend the camera tube. It's a nice feature, but it's not necessary since the ear canal is an inch deep before you actually get to the eardrum. An inch has always been more than enough, ladies. I put links to the product down below for the best time and best prices you can purchase them at. By the way, those links help me out, so thank you very much. Now, if you've ever dealt with clogged ears, reduced hearing, or you just want to know what's actually going on inside your ear canal, this tool for your home is a total game changer. Now, if you're looking for more dude-approved reviews by me, check out a couple of videos over to my side. Glad I could help you out, and I'll check you in the next review. See you later.